One day, there's a new kid in class 12 science 3 is named Putra. He innocent children let's out going.
There are no screen. Let's give a lesson. Come on, man.
Not just a brick fighting him in the cafeteria.
Already? Why he has not come out?
Oh, very long, that's the chill.
Already? Why he has not come out?
Oh, very long, that's the chill. That is all. Get ready.
Oh! You? What the hell?
Why not why?
I have no problem.
You don't go around with him. Never mind. Listen to them. Let's go.
Well, the moment you rock. We're not finished. Have gone to go. What is your idea?
What if we carry in the warehouse?
Put want to go home together?
It's my bee.
Come out is dead. Ricky, Putra, come here.
Why?
You are told to take the old books in the warehouse.
To tell who?
Yes, the library officer.
Now?
Yes, of course.
Well, let's go.
Help me! Help me!
Why? The door is closed.
Suddenly, the three of them.
The next day, Chika, Vita, and Leta entered as usual. Arrived there was a friend who told that they were called to the back room.
I don't know why. Well, certainly nothing. How is this?
Well, don't have to be afraid to get there sometime. Maybe we can find.
Sorry.
The three of them went to the back room, back so they were scolded for having looked the Putra and Ricky in the warehouse. The teacher suggested that they did not do it again and apologized to the Putra and Ricky.
I'm sorry.
Well, you forgive, but you promise you will not like any more with us.
Yeah, we promise.
What if now we are just friends?
Good idea.
So, no friend on her.
Yes, we are friends.
The end, they are friends.